Anything for me. So do any drivers do this for me. Well, nice. Mega Blast 191112. See ya! For DVT! Right. Yay! And the double pairing of the Neighbour 2 heading from Lumbeck to Garstang to Doncaster. Here he goes. Here he goes. See ya! Whee! Whee! Shout out to the legend driver. Birmingham Pride. Whee! Yay! And a great tone from the driver. Oh yeah. 82226.
See you later.
See ya. Right, Coach L, this is where that guy's, the other person's is. Come on, faster! John, someone else is coming. Go on, faster, 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 faster. This isn't the electric one, is it? No, it can't.
No, yeah, it's electric on the roof.
Yeah. It's not our one because I was passing.
It's connected to the electric on the roof.
Yeah, it's not our one. I was from Miller Hill. That was 22. What time is it now? So I was coming through at 22. Someone's coming down. This is the electric passing. Oh, it's an 88 as well. Oh my, come on, we got this. Come on. 88004. Now departing is our 397 Neighbour 2 on a Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street, and we off. So far every single train has done it apart from that side. Yes! Yes! You are in! You are in! Thank you! Hey! Oh my god! That has to be the highlight! That is a highlight! Shout out to the driver, proper legend. Now getting ready to depart is our 43314. A shout out to the driver there. It costs 185, diesel mod per unit, but never mind them sets. Right, I know where this is going, right. Yeah! Brilliant, my man! Thank you! Thank you! In all my years, I cannot believe I've just got that again. This is one of the best sessions out there. See ya. I cannot believe that's just happened. See you, mate.